Yeah, hi. Is your Wi-Fi keeps getting disconnecting again and again? This video will help these fixes work for most of the home networks. The first thing that we need to understand why Wi-Fi disconnects. Wi-Fi generally disconnect caused by interference, router settings, or overload the network. Sometimes people think that disconnect because of the internet plan, but generally that doesn't happen. Sometime what happen is we put the router in some kind of cabinet or closet, due to which that Wi-Fi gets disconnecting. So the very first thing that you have to do if your Wi-Fi is keep getting disconnected, try to move your router to some other place. Like, don't put the router near the walls, metals, or closed cabinets. Keep your router in a central and open area of your home. And the second reason why the Wi-Fi keep getting disconnecting is too many devices. Too many devices connected at the same time can overload your Wi-Fi. So my smart tip would be disconnect devices you are not using, especially like your smart TVs. If you're not using, just disconnect those devices, and some other devices like if you have tablets or iPads that you are not using, go ahead and disconnect that. The third fix that I can say is the frequencies of the Wi-Fi. Like, I'm pretty sure you know that we have 2.4 and the 5G networks. Use the 5G network for speed in the same room, and 2.4G network for longer range. Automatic like switching between these bands sometimes cause disconnects. The other fix that I can recommend you is renew your connection. What it means exactly, if you're having problems just to your computer or your cell phone, go in the settings of that particular device and like forget the network. Once the network is forget, reconnect the network using the password. By doing this step, this will refresh the connection and fix many random drop issues. And this particular hack will definitely help you when you are struggling the connection issues with one particular device only. The other fix that you can try is update your software of the router. Yes, you have to log in on the router admin portal. Like, you can access the admin portal using the web browser, or you can access the router by the app. Like, if you have an Netgear router, you can log in on the web portal, that is routerlogin.net. Or if you have Linksys router, you can access their Linksys smart Wi-Fi app, and same goes with other routers too. So these are the things that you can try. And the last thing that you can try is reset. Reset only if nothing else works, because resetting erase all the Wi-Fi settings. So these steps fix Wi-Fi disconnecting issues for most of the homes. And if this helped, subscribe for more simple Wi-Fi fix. Thank you.